take the
take the
total team
in the tea garden
to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time. যেমন ধরো আমি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবো, আচ্ছা বলো তো গাঁদা ফুলের ইংরেজি কি? আমি জিজ্ঞেস করবো তোমাকে গোলাপ ফুলের ইংরেজি কি? আমি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবো যে রজনীগন্ধার ইংরেজি কি? হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমাদের সাথে আজকে আছে একটা কিউট বয় and his name is Safwan. My God, you have a wonderful name. So who gave you this name? Your daddy or your mom or your grandpa? Your daddy. Okay, that's great. Safwan, how are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. So Safwan, just can you introduce yourself? Just give your presentation.
My name is Safwan.
Okay.
I'm a student. I read in class 4. My school name is Gazipur Cantonment Board High School. This is one of the most popular school is Gazipur. My section is A. In my section we are 52 students. I like my school very much.
Wonderful. Nice. That's great. So Safwan, do you have any bosom friends or do you have any friend in your school? So what are they many or are they one or two?
One.
Okay. So what's his name?
His name is Swat.
Swad. Okay. Do you like to play with him?
Yes.
Okay. So when do you like to play with him?
Afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay. What types of games do you like to play with him?
Football.
Football. Okay. You have to complete the sentence. Not very short answer. Like I like to play football. Not only football. I have a friend named. His name you have said?
Swat.
Suad. So I have a friend named Suhad. Now I will ask you again, okay? So Safwan, could you please tell your friend's name?
My friend's name is Swat.
Suad, okay. And when do you play with him?
I play football in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. নাইস, এই যে সুন্দর। একটু লম্বা লম্বা করে আমাদের উত্তর দিতে হবে। তাহলে কি হবে? আমরা একটু বেশি পরিমাণে ইংরেজি বলতে পারবো, right? So Safwan, did you practice the pronunciation at your class?
Yes.
So কি কি pronunciation শিখেছো আমাকে একটু বলো তো ইংরেজিতে? So can you pronounce ABCD?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, wonderful. আজকে আমরা তোমাকে আমি একটা ছোট একটা টাং টুইস্টার শিখিয়ে দিই, ঠিক আছে? সেটা হচ্ছে কি টি সাউন্ড দিয়ে। কি সাউন্ড দিয়ে?
T,
টি। বলো আমার সাথে বলো টি।
T.
Take the
Take the
total team
in the tea garden
to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So আরেকটা টাং টুইস্টার আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করি। Talent Hearts teacher technically teach the T sound when talk by using T. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful, Safwan. Okay, so what do you like to do in your free time?
Gardening.
Oh, you like gardening. Mashallah. Okay, do you have those flowers name in English? Do you know? A little. Okay, so I'm giving you a homework. That is, you must read or learn the name of the flowers in English. Okay?
Okay.
So on my next video, I will ask you the flowers name. তখন তোমাকে এগুলো বলতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
Okay.
So তাহলে ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আমাদের সাথে সাফওয়ানের নেক্সট ভিডিওতে দেখা হচ্ছে ফ্লাওয়ার্স নেম নিয়ে, বিকজ হিজ হবি ইজ গার্ডেনিং and I like gardens so much. I like the flowers and I really like this boy. So I will ask him what are the flowers name. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. So just thumbs up.